Welcome to Merchant Navy Tech channel. Let us discuss some IMU-CET physics practice paper. So there will be 50 questions from physics paper. All will be multiple choice type questions. Question will be given and the answer is given in the option. So you need to click the correct option. So let's start. Question number 1. The load of 100 gram increases the length of a light spring by 10 centimeter. The spring constant of the spring is option A 9.8 Newton per meter, option B 4.9 Newton per meter, option C 10 Newton per meter, option D 98 Newton per meter, option E 980 Newton per meter. At a point on the axis of an electric dipole, option A, the electric field is 0. Option B, the electric potential is 0. Option C, the electric field is directed perpendicular to the axis of the dipole. Option D, neither the electric field nor the electric potential is 0. Option E, the electric current is 0. Question number 3. The resistivity of the wire depends upon option A, its length, option B, its cross-sectional area, option C, its dimensions, option D, its material, option E, its thickness. Question number 4. Which of the following is the unit of electric charge? Option A, Coulomb, option B, Newton, option C, volt, option D, ampere, option E, farad. Question number 5. For a simple harmonic oscillator, the acceleration is 3 meter per second square. When the displacement is 0.03 meter per second, the angular frequency of the oscillator is option A 1 radian per second, option B 0.1 radian per second, option C 10 radian per second, option D 100 radian per second, option E 9 radian per second. Question number 6. Torque per unit moment of inertia is option A radius of gyration, option B angular velocity. Option C, angular displacement. Option D, angular acceleration. Option E, angular momentum. Question number 7. A particle in SHM has an oscillation frequency of 32 Hz. Then the oscillation frequency of its kinetic energy is option A 0, option B 16, option C 32, option D 64, option E 128. Question number 8. The logic gates which are giving output y equal to 1 for the inputs a equal to 1 and b equal to 1 are option A and NAND, option B and NOR, option C NOR and NAND, option D and OR, option E OR and NAND. Question number 9. The volume of the nucleus is directly proportional to option A its mass number, option B its atomic number, option C cube root of its mass number, option D cube root of its atomic number, option E cube of its mass number. Question number 10. The unit of specific resistance is option A ohm, option B ohm into meter, option C ohm per meter, option D ohm per meter square, option E mho per meter. Question number 11. A particle executes a linear SHM of amplitude of 8 cm and period 2 seconds. The magnitude of its maximum velocity is option A 8 pi centimeter per second, option B 16 pi centimeter per second, option C 4 pi centimeter per second, option D 2 pi centimeter per second, option E 6 pi centimeter per second. Question number 12. Constant and where is used in making standard resistances because its option A specific resistance is low, Option B, density is high. Option C, temperature coefficient of resistance is negligible. Option D, melting point is high. Option E, low melting point. Question number 13. An electric field can deflect. Option A, X-rays. Option B, neutrons. Option C, cathode rays. Option D, ultraviolet rays. Option E, gamma rays. Question number 14. Which one of the following is the most penetrating radiation? Option A, UV rays. Option B, IR rays. Option C, alpha rays. Option D, beta rays. Option E, gamma rays. Question number 15. If the work function of an element is 3.3 electron volt, then its threshold frequency is given H equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Option A, 8 into 10 to the power 15 hertz. Option B, 8 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Option C, 4 into 10 to the power 15 hertz. Option D, 4 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Option E, 0.5 into 10 to the power 15 hertz. Question number 16. A body gets positive charge. It means that option A, it has gained electrons. Option B, it has lost electrons. Option C, it has gained positrons. Option D, it has gained alpha particles. Option E, it has neither gained nor lost electrons. Question number 17. If F is the force acting on a particle having position vector r and T the torque of this force about the origin, then Rt equal to 0 and Ft equal to 0. Rt equal to 0 and Ft is not equal to 0. Rt is not equal to 0 and Ft equal to 0. Option D, Rt not equal to 0 and Ft not equal to 0. Option is none of these. Click the correct figure. Option A, option B, option C, option D, option E. From this 5 figure, you have to click the correct one. Question number 19. If the diameter of the reference circle in SHM is 12 cm, then the amplitude of linear SHM will be option A 3 cm, option B 6 cm, option C 12 cm, option D 10 cm, option E 24 cm. Question number 20. The drift velocity of electrons is of the order of option A 1 meter per second, option B 10 to the power minus 3 meter per second, option C 10 to the power 6 meter per second, option D 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, option E 10 to the power 3 meter per second. Question number 21. The process of bringing more atoms to the excited state from lower energy states is known as option A stimulated emission, option B spontaneous emission, option C spontaneous absorption, option D induced emission, option E optical pumping. Question number 22. When capacitors of capacitances C1, C2, C3 are connected in parallel, the equivalent capacitance of the combination is C equal to C1, C2, C3. Option B 1 by C equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. C equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Option 4 C equal to C1 C2 C3 by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Option E C equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Question number 23. The dimensional formula for moment of inertia of a body is option A L0 m1 t minus 2, option B L2 m1 t0, option C L1 m1 t minus 1, option D L3 m2 t0, option E L1 m minus 2 t1. Question number 24. In a transistor, the base region is option A narrow and heavily doped, option B wider and heavily doped, option C narrow and lightly doped, option D wider and lightly doped, option E wider and moderately doped. Question number 25. The energy gap between the conduction band and valence band in semiconductor is in the range option A 0.2 to 1 electron volt. Option B 0.2 to 1 kilo electron volt. Option C 0.2 to 3 electron volt. Option D 1 to 3 kilo electron volt. Option D 1 to 3 kilo electron volt. Option E 3 to 6 electron volt. Question number 26. The SI unit of torque is option A Newton per meter, option B Newton meter square, option C Newton meter, option D Newton square meter, option E Newton per meter square. Question number 27. Potentiometer measures potential more accurately because option A it measures potential in the open circuit. Option B it uses sensitive galvanometer for null detection. Option C it uses high resistance potentiometer wire. Option D it measures potential in the closed circuit. Option E none of the these. Question number 28. The ratio of the wavelengths associated with alpha particles and protons accelerated from rest through same potential is option A root 8 is to 1, option B 1 is to root 2, option C 1 is to 4, option D 1 is to root 8, option E root 2 is to 1. Question number 29. Electromotive force is most closely related to option A electric field, option B magnetic field, option C potential difference, option D mechanical force, option E current. Question number 30. I equal to mr square is the moment of inertia of option A thin circular ring, option B thin rod, option C disc, option D solid sphere, option E thick rod. Question number 31. If a watch with a wound spring is taken to the moon, then it is option A runs faster, option B runs slower, option C shows no change, option D stops working, option E cannot say. Question number 32. 2 kg of radioactive samples decay into 0.25 kg in 12 years. The half-life period of the sample is option A 6 years, option B 4 years, option C 3 years, option D 2 years, option E 1 year. Question number 33. The equation of displacement of a harmonic oscillator is x equal to 3 sin omega t plus 4 cos omega t. The amplitude of the particle will be option A 2, option B 5, option C 7, option D 12, option E 4. Question number 34. L2 M1 T minus 1 is the dimensional formula for option A force, option B work, option C moment of inertia, option D angular momentum, option E angular acceleration. Question number 35. Angular momentum is the product of option A mass and acceleration, option B mass and velocity, option C moment of inertia and angular acceleration, option D moment of momentum and angular velocity, option E moment of inertia and angular velocity. Question number 36. Two circular discs A and B have equal masses and equal thickness but have densities d1 and d2 such that d1 is greater than d2. Their moment of inertia is related as option A I1 is greater than I2, option B I1 is less than I2, option C I1 equal to I2, option D I1 very much greater than I2, option E I1 is very much less than I2. Question number 37. The radioisotope used to detect the presence of blocks in a blood vessel is option A radiophosphorus, option B radioiodine, option C radiocobalt, option D radioiron, option E radiosodium. Question number 38. Identify the false statement. Option A Aluminium can be used as a trivalent dopant. Option B. Phosphorus can be used as a pentavalent dopant. Option C. Silicon doped with boron is a N-type semiconductor. Option D. Holes are majority carrier in P-type semiconductors. Option E. Electrons are the majority carrier in N-type semiconductors. Question number 39. In a typical Wheatstone network, the resistance in cyclic order are P 10 ohm, Q 5 ohm, S 4 ohm and R 4 ohm. For the bridge to balance, option A, 10 ohm should be connected in parallel with P. Option B, 10 ohm should be connected in series with P. Option C, 5 ohm should be connected in parallel with Q. Option D, 5 ohm should be connected in series with Q. Option E, both A and D are correct. Question number 40. The magnitude of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is option A, 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square coulomb minus 2. Option B, 9 into 10 to the power minus 9 Newton meter square coulomb minus 2. Option 3, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 Newton meter square coulomb minus 2. Option D, 8.85 into 10 to the power 12 Newton meter square coulomb minus 2. Option E, 9.1 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square coulomb minus 2. Question number 41. A wheel of mass 10 kg and radius of gyration 50 cm is rotating at 30 rpm. The rotational kinetic energy of the wheel is option A, 625 joule, option B, 1000 joule, option C, 1250 joule, option D, 1500 joule, option E, 1800 joule. Question number 42. Nuclear forces are option A, electromagnetic forces, option B, short range forces, option C, long range forces, option D, charge dependent, option E, electrostatic forces. Question number 43. Deuterium and tritium are the isotopes of option A, iron, option B, cobalt, option C, hydrogen, Option D, calcium. Option E, magnesium. Question number 44. The escape velocity for a body of mass 1 kg from the Earth's surface is 11.2 km per second. The escape velocity of another body of mass 10 kg will be: Option A, 112 km per second. Option B, 1120 km per second. Option C, 1.12 km per second. Option D, 11.2 km per second. Option E, 11,200 km per second. Question number 45. Heavy water is used in nuclear reactors in order to: Option A, absorb neutrons. Option B, absorb hazardous radiation. Option C, stop the nuclear reactions. Option D, slow down the neutrons. Option E, faster the nuclear reaction as catalyst. Question number 46. A sphere cannot roll on: Option A, rough inclined surface, smooth inclined surface, rough horizontal surface, smooth. Option D, smooth horizontal surface. Option E, rough plane surface. Question number 47. In linear SHM, if the path length of the particle is 10 cm, the radius of the reference circle will be: Option A, 5 cm. Option B, 10 cm. Option C, 15 cm. Option D, 20 cm. Option E, 25 cm. Question number 48. When the base current is changed from 10 microampere to 35 microampere, the collector current changes from 2.5 milliampere to 5 milliampere at constant VCB. In the transistor characteristic, the current gain beta is: Option A, 100. Option B, 200. Option C, 50. Option D, 40. Option E, 25. Question number 49. When a spring is compressed by 0.5 meter and restoring force of 10 Newton is developed in it, then force constant of the spring is: Option A, 50 Newton per meter. Option B, 100 Newton per meter. Option C, 150 Newton per meter. Option D, 200 Newton per meter. Option E 250 Newton per meter. Question number 50. The device that converts electrical energy into light energy is option A LED, option B photodiode, option C Zener diode, option D solar cell, option E photoemissive cells. So these are 50 practice questions for physics subject. Afterwards, we will be adding more questions from physics, chemistry, mathematics, aptitude, reasoning, GK, and current affair. You check for other subjects in our YouTube channel. You can like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming questions.